Tracy here with Coco Con Essential Oils. Wanted to talk to you today about calming essential oils for dogs and how to use them safely. So first, I wanted to point out 6 essential oils that are great for calming anxiety and fear and stress in dogs. We've got sweet marjoram, orange, frankincense, Roman chamomile, ylang ylang, and lavender. So all of those oils are great calming essential oils for dogs. The next thing I want to talk about is how important it is not to put essential oils on your dog undiluted. It's very, very important. It's probably more important for dogs than it is for humans, just because their noses are 40 times more sensitive than a human's. So using oils undiluted or too strong can cause toxicity in your dog. So it's really, really important to dilute. That being said, it depends on the weight of your animal as to how many drops you use. So we're going to make a calming essential oil blend today for dogs in a 1 ounce aloe gel. For your dogs that are under 10 pounds, you want to stay with 3 drops total in here. For dogs that are under 20 pounds, 4 drops is okay. When you get up over 60 pounds, then you can do 8 to 10 drops. But there's a dilution rate guide below this video in the comment or the notes section there. So take a look at that. It tells you, how many drops per ounce based on the weight of your dog. And there's 5 categories. So, okay. So that being said, we're going to use aloe gel. I like to use aloe gel as my carrier because it is, it's not greasy, so your dogs get so messy when you put the greasy stuff on them. So we're going to start with 1 ounce of aloe gel, and then we're just going to put 1 drop each of these 5 essential oils into our aloe gel. So 1 drop of sweet marjoram, 1 drop of Roman chamomile. Whoops, that went in there just a little on the side. 1 drop of ylang ylang. 1 drop of sweet orange or orange. Sometimes the oil gets stuck, so if you rotate your bottle, a lot of times it'll come out again. And then 1 drop of lavender. Here it comes. Ah, okay, and then you're just going to cap and shake well. And then for your pets to use it with them, don't spray it on them. That usually causes more anxiety and tension and fear. So spray it in your hands. I do like 4 or 5 sprays. Rub your hands together, walk up to your pet, let them sniff it, and then rub it here, under the neck, and on the back of the neck. The essential oils help calm them and release that anxiety and fear through inhalation. But it's important because you don't want them to be able to lick it off. So under the neck, over the back of the neck are the best places to avoid them being able to lick them off and for them to be able to breathe them in well. So, okay, so that's that. A couple other things I wanted to mention. For those of you that aren't into making up your own blends, we do offer a Calm Dog spray at Coco Con. There's a Calm Dog for little dogs and a Calm Dog for big dogs. It has frankincense, ylang ylang, and lavender essential oils and an aloe gel base. So you use it the same way I was just telling you how to make this blend, or how to use this blend. And then we also have, this is one of my all-time favorite books for those of you that want to get into making your own dog shampoos and salves and all kinds of great stuff. The thing I love the most about this book is that everything is really, really safe in here. There's also a lot of case studies on essential oils with a variety of pets too. So thank you for watching today. I will see you guys next time.